is Bobby Sheen. They want me to be Charlie's brother. But no. I said no, no. No.
Meet Bobby. No one is close to even grasping his techniques. He's one of the best, he is the best dead guy out there. His favorite color is red. Watch this video to see more and learn more about Bobby and his techniques.
People call me Bobby B. B stands for best. Beautiful. Bad boy. Brisket. And in the wintertime, B also stands for broke.
Watch this amazing technique. Wow! This is just pure magic. In case you miss it, here is another slow motion of this magic.
Let me tell you something, kid. Life been tough on me. When I started this Dent life, I pushed shit. Then I talked to my mama.
You will hear what Mama said to Bobby soon, but before that, watch this amazing technique that Bobby does.
And Mama said, just be pushing, Bobby. Just be pushing. So Bobby did pushing. I did pushing so much, I became the fastest in the whole world.
Glue pulling, another strong technique of Bobby. This technique is purely amazing. I have never seen anything like this. Even works with grease stamps.
I'm sharing my techniques because I'm getting old. And I don't want my ways to be forgotten.
Lunchtime is his favorite part of working. But even when he eats, he always thinks about work. Staying professional and a good worker. While he was showing us his blending technique, we asked Bobby about a tech tip.
A tech tip? I'll give you a tech tip. When diamonds fall from the sky, you better run your ass down there, cuz I'll be hauling.
Before we go, we'd like to show you one more thing. Even his lights are special.